Alright, so first we're going to be looking at writing the code for the Uno, and then I'll show you what the difference is between the Do and the Uno. One thing I didn't mention is I now have this cable called the Cerebrus. Okay, this is a very big fad right now. Is, you know, of course, every year as a technology guy, we have what? A new USB or a new FireWire. Okay. One of the biggest trends right now is using the FireWire B Micro on everything from phones to now the Arduino. Of course, the non-micro USB is very handy, and the other variation of USB that I forgot what it is, but it fits my Wacom tablet, and I'm sure somebody's going to comment on what this is. I think it's an A. But what happens is I have a cable that has all three ends. Oh, isn't that cool? So look at that. So one USB to rule them all, one USB to bind them. That's at sparkfun.com. It's called the Cerebrus. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the three-headed dog thing in mythology. So that's what I'll be using. Alright, just thought I'd point out that new toy. I'm going to put aside the Do for a minute, and let's concentrate on the Uno. That means also I'll need some wires off of this thing. Bam. Alright, now these wires right here run to my speaker. Okay. I'm going to plug them in here on the yellow and black wires. Just like that. Now it doesn't matter about polarity, you know, speaker wires are speaker wires. You just, you know, one's positive, one's negative. And I just want to make sure that's in the right channel. Yep, cool. Alright, so I have this yellow cord, and the yellow cord is going over to pin number 10 on my Arduino. Also, I have a brown cord. The brown cord is going from A0 over to a place on my breadboard, just like that. Okay, notice I have a negative running from my channel, a positive running from my channel, and I have my positive and negative right here running to that channel. So the only wires that matter are the brown and yellow, red and black. I do keep my 3-volt handy just for set occasions every once in a while. Now for this huge pentameter. What's going to happen is one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative, and the middle is going to be where your data is coming out of the thing. So what I'm going to do is just mount that in such a way, just like that. So now I can change that. Cool. I'll put away the sunflower for right now, call it. And let's tidy up some things so it doesn't look so bad on the video. Put that under there. There we go. Cool. Alright, so that's my hardware setup. Pretty easy, but I need a video just for hardware setup. Now that we have the hardware setup, let's look at some code that allows us to produce some really cool frequencies. Alright, in the next video.